This video game was so fun that I replicated it into my own life to feel like my life is also a video game. It's so easy to start doing, so I don't want you to miss out on this. As soon as you boot up the game, the first thing that you notice, and I noticed 4 years ago in 2020, is how simple the game is. You're on an island, enjoy it. That alone instantly made the game stand out for me because I was so used to playing Fortnite or other games which had explosions, fast racing, action, wow. But this game took a step back, admiring the little things. The cicadas in the background, the wind breezing, the footsteps as you're walking around, the river flowing, all of those small clicks and pops, noises were really calming. And on top of that, they had this music that was adding the perfect touch of calmness but intrigue. So I kept playing the game. I was pulling weeds, chopping wood, cleaning my house, doing chores, which I would have thought were boring to do in real life, but in the game was so fun to me. Now that I think of it, a lot of it was because of how much attention was put onto the small things that the bigger things like cleaning my room or cleaning the weeds felt a step higher in satisfaction and fun because of the walking around, the breeze. Those little things made myself do bigger things. There's also a lot of little things you can do like bug hunting, fishing, decorating your room. I wish I could have a net right now to catch all of these mosquitoes that are biting me. You can explore other people's islands, other events, and visitors that come to your island. My favorite part about it is that you can play the game at your own pace. You might fully be committed to it one day, but not play it for the next week. The main goal is to enjoy it how you want to enjoy it. But even though it's just a game, there's a lot of things which we can't even do in real life, like never get tired from running around, fly to a bunch of different islands at once. There's a lot of stuff that you can apply in your own life, which I've done as well to make my life feel amazing and productive. But before I talk about that, if you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing. I'm Timothy, I'm 16, I just love sharing things that I've thought about or done in my life. Hopefully you can think about something that I say. But the one thing we can both do is start enjoying the little things in life. The setting I'm in, sitting here barefoot, enjoying the day of summer break, the cicadas chirping in the background, even though they're a little annoying sometimes. The fact that we're both alive, we're able to talk to each other. There will never be a moment like this again. So if you can capture these moments, whether it's by writing stories about it, taking pictures, videos like I am right now of me telling you this, that's a perfect way to start enjoying these little things, being grateful for them. That's how we can experience more of life and treat life like it is a video game. I'm so glad I started making these videos to talk to you, and if you want something similar to this, click that Calendly link in the description right now. Book a quick call with me and see if we'll fit for my coaching to help you grow your YouTube channel as well to 1,000 subs, 10K subs and above. Dude, this place is amazing, man. The lighting is... I really hope you start doing this. Appreciate more of the little things. Some more little things that you can do, but also will help you a lot, is personalizing your surroundings. So in Animal Crossing, the first time I actually said the freaking name of the game, you can customize your house, your island, the villagers that you have. You can do the same in your own life to look forward to working or being in your room by customizing your desk, your room, not only your surroundings, but yourself. Customize the haircut you want, the clothes that you have, the physique that you can get. Take action into doing that as well. You'll enjoy your life a lot more from that. The name of the game is Animal Crossing New Horizons. So explore your own horizon. Do not make excuses about this, because whether you live in the city, the country, a rich place, a poor place, there's always something you can do to enjoy the little things that you have. Inside or outside, you can do anything. You really can. You can go on ChatGTP and think of 1,000 ideas for what you can do if you live in the city, what you can do if you are in the rural area. Keep trying new things, try new hobbies, try new activities that you've never done before to make your day more and more special. I talked about this more in my video called How to Make Every Day Special. One thing I also love about Animal Crossing is that you're able to talk to new people. Whether it's dogs and cats or actual other islanders. You can do that in real life too. But I don't want you to overthink it. Because you know how whenever we're playing a video game, there's dialogue and you could skip it, you don't really care about it. Act the same for an actual conversation. I know it doesn't sound that good, but if you stop caring so much about the specific outcomes that might happen, you'll actually talk to a lot more people and get further in your conversations and feel more social. Any way you can do that, I highly recommend that. Also telling stories to those people, writing stories that you do in your own life to motivate you to get those cool stories to talk to people about. But if there's not a ton of people around you and you want a fast, easy way to talk to hundreds of people, join the like-minded club. Not only can you talk to anyone in there, but you also have this 7-day challenge course that I put in there. It'll get you living your life a lot more excitingly. So join that like-minded club in the description right now. Not only will everything that I talk about in this video make your life fun, but it'll give you more success. So comment some things that you're gonna do. If you like this video, like it, subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. It's always free. You can change your mind. I really hope you won't forget about this video. Remember it when you're not sure what to do, when you're bored, when you're burnt out, when you're in a rut. Enjoy the little things, try new things, and that'll make your life a lot more fun. We got this, we're crushing it, let's go. I hope you enjoyed this video, man. I enjoyed making it. I love this background so much. I'm so grateful for it. Yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. Until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Peace. Bye-bye.